Where did all the sellers go? And where'd the buyers go too? I'm David Stark and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. 3 months in and 2023 is off to a slow start. The number of homes for sale has been essentially flat since last December. Limited choices for buyers pushed prices higher compared with the beginning of the year, yet prices were down compared with last March. Fewer choices, rising prices, high interest rates all added up to about 800 fewer sales compared with last March. Now, let's look what's happening locally. 880 corridors up first. Homes for sale. With a few exceptions, Alameda, Albany, and Oakland, far fewer choices for buyers along the 880 corridor compared with last March. Prices. Take Albany out of the mix and prices down everywhere compared to last March. Castro Valley, Hayward, and Newark all down at least 20%. Sales down everywhere. Castro Valley and Newark both dropped more than 50%. Let's go to West Contra Costa County. Homes for sale down almost everywhere. Richmond, 40 for sale, down 30%. Prices down everywhere. San Pablo, 550, down 20%. Sales down everywhere. Pinole and San Pablo both down more than 50%. Next is Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale mixed. Down more than 30% in Concord and Martinez. Walnut Creek up more than 60%. Prices down everywhere. Martinez, 756, down almost 20%. Sales down everywhere. Clayton, 8 sold, down 60%. Let's check in with La Miranda. Homes for sale up everywhere. Moraga, from 1 unit last March to 7 units this March. Prices down everywhere. Lafayette at 1.8, down more than 30%. Sales mixed. Lafayette and Moraga both dropped more than 50%. Next up is the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale mixed. Big increases in Alamo and Danville. Dublin down 45%. Prices down everywhere. Alamo, Danville, and Dublin all down at least 15% compared with last March. Sales down everywhere. San Ramon, 22 sold, down more than 60%. One more region and it's the Delta. Homes for sale mostly up. Brentwood, 94 for sale, up 25%. Prices down everywhere. Brentwood, 748 sold, down almost 20%. Sales down everywhere. Antioch, Brentwood, Pittsburgh, all down at least 40%. Last thought, a home was on the market an average of 10 days last March. This March, 26 days. We'll see you next month.